In this expression, we have three divisions, and according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. Okay, so first 6 divided by 2, which gives us 3. So 3 divided by 6 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 3 divided by 6 can be written as 3 over 6. And here we have divided by 2. Now, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 4, or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem.